Welcome back to Ask and Ask Isana apho sitla ngeendaba zabantu singabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana laqala.
Started not communicating better about why I can't be there for you in the way that you needed me. Basically, ntho e nkwadisitseng ne le gore ngwanaka ha sana botho. It concerned me that her hate for my past, it affected her to the point where ngwanaka uyizenza umuntu ongathandeki. But you try. I can't wait. Baby girl, school. Your decision to do school really hit me. It knocked me sideways. It knocked the wind out. It's something I never expected, not from you.
I don't want you to blame yourself about this. Specifically, I don't want you to blame yourself about this. It's a choice I made. In that choice, I ended up knowing the consequences and couldn't consider it. I definitely expected to be hurt and shocked by the fact that I left school. But I think seeing more like this kind of more quiet hurt or quiet disappointment has been, I think, what's been more of a harder pill to swallow.
I made it. I can say this now. Stupid thinking to myself that nah, it's just my somewhere, somehow. You love me. It's like next year, business booming. I'm happy. Once I'm a drink.
You can only stop a dream.
And no, next year came now. Yeah.
I was doing a 2-year course for my matric essentially, just before completing the first year, I dropped out.
Basically, your decision and how you saw it just reminded me that actually you are a child. But you're a baby, Nubia. You're a baby.
I am absolutely happy that her decision was made because of the naivety of youth and not because of me. Thought by why?
How very she's a mother for life. She'll never be anything else. Tekinakana tabayena inilibua yakon.
Yeah.
Remuthole indawo yahayi asikana tolitswenya. Remurekela li two plate afolo kuyiphethela nje.
I am happy because honestly I could not sleep. My life has been very hard, actually. But I love Brody because she's always been on my side.
I know because it tears my heart up.
Oh.
Yeah. The other thing in work I wanna know. Uno safili hantle ka the way Toya I think the lokati kamwana lika papa mwana. Ritlatsana ri bakolo ba ba khata ba kopana le bakolo ba zona. Di buisano di khoba jwang tshwe. Yeah, guys, thank you, Mama. The most important direction that I can only say. Reality to ma. Arenki fela mwana muthu o dula le.
Yeah.
Ya ni pakela mathata re tsa mashimo. So ke tlo bua le tate Zondo. Ke tlo bua le yena. Re tla di lokisa kaofela ntho tsena and I'll come back and report to you because Letoya ke ngwana. Ona le boikarabelo batswading ba gagwe. You know, it's also wrong when ngwana wa tsamaya le tsa na le motho batho ba teng a ba so tlhake mo nyao wa bona gore le ngwana hao ha o feel respect e o hlokang wa bona e tshwana le thoga gape. How has it
How do you feel?
been?
You cannot go to the of all things. How your mother was missing, but you're able to cook on the stove.
Saka.
And do not contribute anything, either towards water and a monoka candidates every morning to have a bath. Musadi Mohodo Ujai.
Kimatata utwana no.
Aya, some pathological like yo, I am in disbelief. Side of everything that has happened.
The burning conversation between Onubia and Latoya. Masiboneni bethuna nomama xa ihleli nentombi yakhe bediscuss issues zabo ezi serious. uyaphendula uthi laa mntana sasibukele phaa ungaphethekanga kahle sikuxelele ubani uba lo mntu akekho rayithi wabe usifosta ufuna sihlale nalo mntu all of that. So nje into yakho yomjolo nje sifuna ukube free netshomi yakhe yatsho ke itshomi kaLatoya this lady ayitshomi yakhe uba ayi mna Latoya I believe if ever ubuke wahlala after laa mjolo ubuzawuba right. Guys sabona ubaba yindoda ethwala ndiyazi yintoni laa nto mna ndathi litshoba ethwala itshoba lesizulu apha apparently ligqirha so wayengaxoki u-ex wife kaLatoya uba uLatoya ubambe umkhulu othile. And okwesibini ndothuka ubani uba unezikretshi umkhulu ingathi ngumntu lo bengamameli. Guys ingathi kanti zizikretshi awazifumana mhlawumbi okanye engozini iyoba buhlungu intliziyo yam le nto endigqiba uyithetha but ke guys niyayazi mos uba ndiyathanda udlala. So uLatoya sana in love xa ndijonga yena nomkhulu ndiqonde no man ikhona into engadibaniyo kuLatoya nomkhulu noba kudibana ilife kuphela because xa ubajonga mani uyazama ukudibanisa uba noba umkhulu wam approacha njani uLatoya inoba uLatoya wavuma njani ade amzalele umntana. Hayi ezinye izinto guys noba siyazenza le out of ukuba desperate and ndiyayiva nalapha efemelini kaLatoya bayatsho bani uba if ever Latoya ibe nguLatoya lowa and ebeke wahlala after a relationship ebengasoze abe kanti uzithathele ubaba. Yo bethu nandi into yoba desperate amantombazana afuneka kafunda ukuhlala ungenamntu awuzubethwa yintoni nkosi yam uphume entweni ungene entweni uphume esimangeni ungene enkingeni. So ndiyabona lately before kwi-second episode ndiyabona nje uba ayibo le episode isanoshutwa uLatoya sekehlukene nobaba siseku-episode number 2
South Africa yonke into uLatoya amakhane njengoba achoma kanje ngayo yonke le nto lezachoma ngazo
ayikho le nto
kumanje uphumile ema-police station going to lie about me because of we had drinks lapha endlini almost every day like this notshwala we would drink and then so yena nomngane wakhe uLisa uLatoya amakhane that day we were drunk and then they made a trap on me bangishuta ngidakiwe obvious ngathi ngayolala kulazo uthi kimi ufuna ungenzela ukudla ngathi hayi ngisasuka manje ngizodla mangibuye kanti ashuthi mi ayibekela ukuthi today azokhuluma ngami mina ubaba uNyambozo umthethwa uLatoya amakhane ukuthi mina bengidla ama drugs ngalolu langa lelo. She was trying to protect herself. Akhohlwa ukuthi yena bamxoshile lapha kwamakhane uLatoya amakhane wazohlala nami angananix angana sent ampunga nganamuntu omrecognizeayo ngamthatha ngamphimpa ngakhipha ama-1000 wami wahlala nami endumbeni yami uLatoya amakhane sazi saba nengane mina nayo uLatoya amakhane today uhambile she's throwing out a fake video out there lying about me mina uMasondo uNyambozo umthethwa ubaba enganaphi uLatoya amakhane is trying to make your mind to go up and down like I don't know like what on you people. So there's a video namanje uphukwenza amanye ama-protection order ithe ngimiyeka ngalelanga leliana so konke wayenza ama-protection order ukuthi ngingayi ku-social media ngaye ukuthi akwazi kuphinga kahle ubufebeke kuphinga manje namanje ubona ukuthi manje nyamlandela ngikupunula bengithi mina ngiyamprotect ma ukhipha abanyama ngangami sasangikhuluma manje uphuma nase police station asazi wenzeni or bribe or wenzeni ujoin into yakho bribe abantu ukhipha imali uLatoya amakhane mana manje ivideo ya trend manje uphuma ku bribe or wenzeni amanga amampunga phezulu ubufebe bakhe uLatoya amakhane ngimkukile ngimbike eJardin ngimdlisa ngimgcokisa ngimenzela yonke into today nginja kuye yile nto lezazikhulumayo atshela nina South Africa uLatoya amakhane khuzani South Africa abantu abafana nalapha bamosha isizwe khuzani uLatoya amakhane mkhuzeni ngiyabonga.
uLatoya Magene. Yo, I stand Latoya. I wonder what is really going down there, and whether are we going to be is this going to be shown on fourth episode or going forward, because I'd like to see the real gist Gale family and nalo mkhulu, and like at uLatoya begxotshe kokwabo, where ifamily kaLatoya is saying that you left here endlini wayohlasana singakwazi. So I don't believe umkhulu ubaba make sithi uLatoya wayegxotshiwe. But guys, let's just be patient. I just want to be patient with this reality TV. But what I've picked up is this, they focus more on Ukhonzi, which we don't really know Ukhonzi. Tina, we thought, okay, it's still coming to uLatoya Masiyeke. So Zabona, guys, let's meet on the comment section. And to be quite honest, I know abantu South Africa, they like it dramatic. At this point in time, I can be called dramatic. Reality show says I'll go to Kantoni. And if guys, please do not forget to just like the video so that YouTube akwazi recommended to abantu abaninzi. And that's all I'm asking from you. And if you really do like this kind of content with a reviewer reality shows, you can just subscribe and just leave your comment between but let's just be kind and be respectful on the comment section between. If you